release ka ng release, hindi pa nga na-liquidate yung una, tapos mag-release ka naman. Hindi ho to small amount, ha? Kasi mainit nga tayo doon kay Sara Duterte na 125, ito 6 billion to eh.
Mr. Chair, following the guideline issued by the Minister of Finance, Budget and Management, the fund releases are not subject to liquidations.
Are not
So based
subject to
on
liquidation?
Bangsamoro Budget Circular number 2024-010,
Oh, hindi subject sa liquidation.
wala pong nakalagay dito that they are
Wala,
liquidate
ma'am.
po.
Pakiulit, ma'am. Medyo hindi maganda ang pangdinig ng chairman pati ni Congressman Acop.
The first release for Basilan was